were recommended this tour, and it's the best thing I've done for years. It's been great fun, a real hoot, the whole trip. The scenery is just magnificent. The country scenery, the hill scenery, and of course the mountains in East Timor are as big as any mountains in Australia. So it's really quite a surprise to think that this far north, that this is the sort of geography you can travel over. In relation to the bike riding, it was really well managed. Tremendous guides and no pressure on you to do more than you were able to do. Very safety conscious, a vehicle following us. It's the motorbike that takes you into another world. It's a world almost of yesterday. Villages, people who are welcoming, and above all, the children that would come out and meet you as you rode back. It's almost like having a guard of honour as you went through each village, and the smiles, the enthusiasm, and to see children who just seem so happy, not preoccupied with PlayStations and Xboxes, but out having fun and doing the sort of things that I think I remember doing when I was a little boy. It's the people that really matter. It's not the things that matter in East Timor. Right. People look after one another and the children are at school. And then, of course, we finished up with really quite a tricky adventure day where it rained and it was very muddy. But again, we didn't feel any pressure, and the guides were there to help us get through some pretty difficult terrain. And no one fell off and hurt themselves, and it was all managed very easily. And there was a backup plan for when things weren't quite as planned, but it all worked out very well. And I don't think I heard a crossword in 4 days, which is pretty amazing on an adventure like that. Normally someone gets tired, but everyone was in good spirits. The guy, Anis, who I'm talking to, is absolutely delightful and charming, and helps us try and behave in a way that's appropriate to these people of almost yesteryear. And it was a really special experience, and if you like motorbike riding, come to Timor-Leste and take your motorbike into another world.